Today I am showing website into Excel work. This is simple task but takes some time. Here you will get given part number, you just minimize this Excel file and given two website, here one and here another. First of all, you need to search part number or first website. Here you search and enter search. Here showing many information, but NBR type remain only, but no, here are no information. Let's try another one. You need to search and hit search word button, then showing remanufactured. Take click here and you take just following information. Here Remi part, you will Remi part or Remi remanufactured. That is, you will copy this one and paste MA part. Here you showing MA part series. MA part series not given yet. Voltage. And this column will belong AMS divided VLTZ, ampere versus voltage. Ampere 150 voltage 12, and this part complete for this website. Then you will see application. See application here. Here you showing Toyota truck. It's truck, van. It's you column. Let's see column here. Truck, van. And you will see Toyota truck. Always just look up first line. A Toyota truck. This part is very important. Toyota truck. You just here yes. That we will same for Q column. Yes. And now this part, all those information you will take from this side. Here you will showing my vehicle. I will click here and add a vehicle. Here you will take data from first line. Here always less year, earlier year 2015. You will take earlier year 2015. Click here 2015 and make here make Toyota. Make click. You click on Toyota, then model Highlander. Here in Highlander, here many part of Highlander. You just try first one, click Highlander and click cylinder 6 and 3.5 mm. There cylinder 4 or 2.7. that is wrong. You try second one and cylinder 4 2.7. That is, yes, that is correct. Then you will hit add vehicle. Here you will saying to product but all product title are same. You will just take this one from one. Here click, right click and open link in new tab. That is URL. Gold, this one for this part. Here this part URL, part name, part number. Here you find part number, DL. Here you will get DL price code, price 40 AMs was similar one AMs is ampere, alternator output amperes actual 150 and vehicle system voltage 12 volt. Now 150 and 12 volt, and here showing here this part not available, and this part not available, so you no need yes, and just try next one and just close this one and try with fast website. You always click Remi new, Remi remanufacture, no need other things. Suppose those one no need, only this one needed. Here Remi manufacturer number, here will number MFR series. Now this one 180 by 180 divided 12. Now check this one, always look up for first line. Even earlier here 2011, same as my vehicle. Click on my vehicle, add a vehicle, and here 2011 to 11, then make this one, make then model 300, model 300, then size cylinder 6 3.6 L. Those are same, you can take just one. Then click add vehicle. Look at here, six results showing. Here another one, gold alternator or just alternator. Go, you will get one, this part for gold alternator and this part for general. So you will take, look at carefully. Here DLZ part number 2671 6. This one gold, and then same as part number this one for simple one. You will need to open it here. I just ignore this one, those two. Remember, always take a similar one, similar those. Then this is gold part. Now URL for gold, this one URL for gold. Look at here car. So no need yes or no, just leave it blank. Then gold part, here part number, DLG, price, then core 40 amps voltage, 160 divided 12, 160 divided 12. Here now that is blank, car always blank, Here it's showing car always blank. Car always blank. Then this part, I take data from this part. Now this part, here is the part number. Here is the price and 50. Now is 160 divided by 12. 160 divided by 12. Then URL, product URL. Yeah, that is complete. Now next one, need to search this one. Now across this two, this one search. Here remedy manufactured. Here remedy manufactured. Here showing, just look at here this one remedy manufactured part. These two are here mapper and effort series not given and 112. Now next one, this one first line for 1996. Just about then try my vehicle and my vehicle. 1996. Then Volvo, make Volvo. Then after that model 850. Now size L5, cylinder 5 cylinder 2.3 liter, 5 cylinder. That is then click. Yeah, only showing one part, so no need to say part number. This is for general part. Your URL, your part number, real price, core price 40 after 100 by 12. This is car, so no need this part. Complete this one. After next one, similar. Then there are 3 manufacturers showing you. Just put first one. Click first one. Yeah. Remanufactured here. MFR here. MFR series not given. Here look at here, no given ampere, just voltage. So you that is check this one. After this part, here car, so no account, and always 2005. This one, select one, add vehicle 2005. But after crossfire model, crossfire, a size of the 6 cylinder 3.2 liter, 6 cylinder 3.2 liter. Those are same, just another one. This is one from there. Here showing 2 part, gold and general, so no need to check. You just put here URL, and price 40. price. Okay, here 120 12 120 12. Now this part, now this part, $47 120 12. Say carefully. Now this that is okay. I press complete 5. I watch that. So I can. So you will get this one. I just divided into 3 parts. That is okay. If you need anything else, just knock me. Let me.